You see confident people everywhere, speaking fluently, walking with authority, and owning every room they step into. And you might wonder, why am I not like them? Why can't I speak like them? If you ever felt like that, stay till the end because today I'll explain why you are not confident yet and how you can fix it without spending a single rupee. You keep waiting for the right moment. Have you seen someone's muscles growing without stepping into the gym just because they were scrolling through videos and gathering knowledge on how to build muscle? If you do not put yourself in situations that will boost your confidence, you will never feel confident. The problem is confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after action. You have to take action first. If you wait until you feel ready, you will never start. That is why you need to work on yourself every day. Confidence is a skill and you can develop it. Talk to yourself in the mirror every day. Say your thoughts out loud even if you feel silly कि मैं ये क्या कर रहा हूँ. This helps your brain get used to hearing your own voice. Then take it to the real world. Talk to people, attend meetups, events, or any opportunity you get to communicate. For example, we all know Elon Musk. He wasn't always the best speaker. Watch his old interviews. He was awkward, he was slow, and sometimes unattractive, but he didn't wait. He kept speaking, kept improving, and today people hang on to every word he says. You are afraid of judgment. शाहरुख खान किसी भी फिल्म बैकग्राउंड से नहीं आए थे. He was surrounded by established stars. He could have been intimidated, but he focused on his craft, ignored judgment, and become the king of Bollywood. You need to do the same thing. Suppose you are in a group, want to say something, but then your mind whispers, what if they think I am stupid? And you stay silent. Don't do that. Fear of judgment is one of the biggest reasons people lack confidence. You overthink every word, every action, worrying about what others might think. पर सच ये है लोग अपनी लाइफ में बहुत busy हैं. They do not have the time to judge you as much as you think. Even if they do judge you, what does it matter? Just ignore it and keep going. Try doing one uncomfortable thing every day. Ask a stranger for the time. Speak up in a group. Reframe your mindset. This is all about it. Instead of thinking, what if I fail? Think, what if I grow with every single small step? You never practice speaking. What do you think? सारे great speakers को क्या पहले से ये skill आती है? No, they practice a lot. Even Warren Buffett, one of the richest man in the world, took $100 public speaking course at Dale Carnegie training because he wasn't always a good public speaker. But instead of giving up, he took a public speaking course. Now two things are clear from this. A, not everyone is born with good communication skills or confidence, and B, anyone can develop these skills. But what if you have no one to practice with or you can't afford expensive courses? Then practice these simple things every day. 1. Record yourself speaking about your day. Play it back. Notice your voice, speed, and tone. 2. Read aloud for 5 minutes daily. This helps improve clarity and fluency. And number 3, talk to AI or voice assistants. If there is no one around, use technology to practice. I mean, आज के टाइम में आप एक्सक्यूज नहीं दे सकते कि हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज नहीं है सीखने के लिए. Confidence is not about how much money you have. Some of the most confident people and successful people in the world came from humble beginnings. Just take the example of APJ Abdul Kalam, my personal favorite. He grew up in a small town with no resources, but he used what he had at that time. He had books, mentors, and self-learning. And we all know today he is remembered as one of the India's most inspiring leaders. You can also use these resources such as YouTube videos, podcasts, and books. I will also add some amazing and relevant video links in the description for you to check out. If you feel inferior to elite people and high stakes situations. क्या आपने कभी किसी रूम में एंटर किया और आपको लगा है कि आप तो यहाँ से बिलोंग ही नहीं करते हो, like everyone is smarter, richer or better than you. This is because you are focusing on them instead of your own value. Guys, you have to take that first step and then take it every day. Look at any successful person. They were not perfect when they started. They practiced, prepared, and then fought the battle called life. You also need to prepare yourself for social situations. Read about the current events, have interesting stories ready. Once you decide that you want to be confident, no matter what, you will never be the same person. Trust me on this. For instance, if you are about to walk into an interview, prepare yourself. Make a list of common questions asked and record your answers. Even if you do not have someone to practice with, pretend you are in the interview. The more prepared you are, the more confident you will feel. You are waiting for someone to help you instead of helping yourself. You keep thinking, if I had a mentor or good friends, I would be more confident. But truth is, no one is going to save you until you are ready. People can guide you, give you direction, but the only person who can do this is you. So stop making excuses, take small daily steps. Confidence is not built in a day. It is built with consistent actions, and be ready for rejections also. They are stepping stones. Take example of Jack Ma, the founder of Alibaba. He was rejected from 30 jobs, including KFC. If he had waited for someone to help him, he would still be waiting here. So guys, look into the mirror again. This time stand tall, smile slightly, and feel different. Confidence isn't something only rich, successful people have. It is built step by step. You don't need money, you do not need permission, you just need to start. And one day people will look at you and wonder, how did you become so confident?